Here's how to download and install Metal TV on your laptop or PC. Open your browser and search for Metal. Click the official Metal website and click Download Metal. The setup exe file will download. Once finished, double-click it to run it and wait while it prepares to install automatically. Metal will open once installation is complete. Confirm your age when prompted, then sign into your account if this is your first time. Once inside, go to Settings in the bottom left corner, then Clip Settings. Set your clip length from the dropdown. 15 or 30 seconds are common choices, with shorter clips using less storage. Choose or customize your clipping hotkey. The default works well for most users. Enable long recording and use Alt F7 if you want full session recording instead. Go to Quality Settings and select High for a good balance between quality and storage. If you have a dedicated GPU, select it as your video encoder for better performance. In the Audio section, choose All PC Audio to record everything, or specific apps if you only want audio from particular programs, like your game. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.